In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off blocking all cookies on Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Safari, then tap on it, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you need to tap at Advanced. Once you get in the Advanced settings, right here you can easily find Block All Cookies. This option allows us to block any cookies on any websites. To activate it, tap on it. It says, are you sure you want to block all cookies? Websites may not work if you do this. It will remove existing cookies and website data. Safari will quit and your tabs will be reloaded. To continue, tap at Block All. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.